Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the clock on your Windows 10 computer from a 24-hour format to a 12-hour format. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the current clock format. First, let's take a look at the clock. As you can see, it's currently in the 24-hour format, displaying something like 16:08. Let's change this to the 12-hour format. Step 2. Open date and time settings. To begin, follow these steps. Click on the search bar in the taskbar and type time. Once here, click on Change the date and time. This will bring you to the Date and Time Settings page. Step 3. Access regional formatting options. On the Date and Time Settings page, go Date, Time, and Regional Formatting. In the new window, scroll down to the bottom and click Change Data Formats under the Regional Format Data section. Step 4. Switch to 12-hour format. In the Change Data Formats section, locate the Short Time drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select the option that shows time in the 12-hour format, such as 9:40 a.m. Step 5. Verify the change. Once you've selected the 24-hour format, close the settings window. Now, check your clock in the taskbar. It should display the time in the 12-hour format. For example, instead of 16:09, it will now show 4:09 p.m. That's it! You've successfully changed your clock from a 24-hour to a 12-hour format in Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by subscribing. Thank you.